Think classic cars are too expensive these days? Not today. I've got 10 real vintage rides under $10,000. Drivers, survivors, and honest project cars. Let's walk the lot together. Car number 1, 1963 Renault Caravelle Cabriolet, $8,500, Los Alamitos, California. We're starting off with something a little exotic and very European. This is a 1963 Renault Caravelle two-top cabriolet, priced at $8,500. Now, this is not your typical American muscle car. This is a small, stylish French convertible, rear-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, manual transmission. The seller says the restoration is about 90% complete. Unfortunately, health issues stopped him from finishing it. Here's what you're getting: clean title, no rust, no collision damage, very tidy frunk and engine bay, current registration, but it has been parked for 2 years, so it will need some freshening up. The fabric soft top is weathered and needs replacement, and the hard top needs paint and a headliner. So this is a nearly finished classic that just needs a little love to cross the finish line. If you like unique cars that stand out at shows, this Renault could be a really fun conversation piece. Car number 2, 1962 Pontiac Tempest, priced at $5,500, Los Angeles, California. Next up, a cool little piece of early 60s American history, a 1962 Pontiac Tempest, priced at $5,500. This one is a runner and driver with 52,000 miles, automatic transmission, clean title, current registration, smog exempt. The transmission was rebuilt a few years ago, and the interior is rated by the seller as a solid 9 out of 10, except for the front bench seat. Original red paint is still on the car and looks pretty good for its age. It does need a carburetor adjustment or rebuild, and there's a little front-end damage. Overall, though, this is a usable, affordable classic sedan that you can enjoy while slowly improving. Car number 3, 1966 Ford F250 Camper Special for $5,000. Now we jump into old school trucks. Here we've got a 1966 Ford F250 Camper Special for $5,000. This one has a swapped-in 390 V8 engine and a C6 automatic transmission from a later 70s Ford truck. Lots of new parts already installed. New fuel tank and sending unit, starter, tune-up parts, fuel pump, fresh oil change. The truck runs and drives, gauges work, lights work, and it wears original paint with great patina, but it still needs some attention. Carburetor fine-tuning, exhaust leak repair, front brake work, door panels finished. So it's a running project truck, perfect for someone who wants a vintage hauler they can improve over time. Car number 4, 1960 Ford F250 California Original, priced at $8,500. This truck has rebuilt 223 inline-6 engine, 3-speed manual on the column, new interior, new BF Goodrich tires, original black California plates, and 0 rust. According to the seller, it runs and drives great with no oil leaks and everything working as it should. If you're looking for an honest, clean, ready-to-enjoy vintage truck, this one sounds like a really solid buy. Car number 5, 1965 Plymouth Fury Sport Convertible, $7,800, Burbank, California. We finish part 1 with a big, bold American convertible, a 1965 Plymouth Fury Sport, priced at $7,800. This one comes with a big block V8, automatic transmission, power seats, and even air conditioning. Seller says the floorboards are solid and the engine and transmission are good. It's not described in huge detail, but it sounds like a complete, running, classic convertible with lots of potential. For Mopar fans, this could be a fun cruiser for not a lot of money. Car number 6, 1960 Rambler American Wagon, $5,000, Norco, California. Now here's a true time capsule, a 1960 Rambler American Wagon listed for $5,000. This car has been sitting for 25 years and has been in the same family since new. It is completely original, but it does not run and will need to be towed. So this is a full restoration project. For someone who loves oddball wagons in AMC history, this could be a really rewarding build. But make no mistake, this one is a long-term project. Car number 7, 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 S-Code, $7,000, Palmdale, California. Now we're talking serious muscle car potential. A 1967 Mercury Cougar XR7 S-Code priced at $7,000. This is a rare big block car with 390 engine, built C6 transmission, headers and performance parts. California car with little to no rust. The downside? It's been sitting a long time. It will need battery, fresh gas, plug wires, interior work, vinyl top replacement. But the seller says the engine, transmission, and rear end are all good. This is exactly the kind of classic muscle car project people dream about finding. Car number 8, 1962 Triumph TR4, $7,000, Seattle, Washington. Let's switch gears to a British sports car. A 1962 Triumph TR4, complete and original project car with a clean title. The current owner got it running and rebuilt the brakes a few years ago, but hasn't touched it since. The car is complete and hasn't been hacked up, but it does have rust in the typical areas: rear fenders, rockers, and floor corners. Lots of extra parts are included: wire wheels, hubcaps, repair panels, and more. If you've always wanted an affordable classic roadster to restore, this is a very honest starting point. Car number 9, 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, $5,800, Beverly Hills, California. Another Cougar on the list. This one is a 1969 Mercury Cougar XR7, one-owner car, originally belonging to the seller's grandfather. Gold with black interior, original 302 engine, automatic transmission, and loaded with options. Interior is said to be like new, but the body has rust in floors, quarter panels, roof, and trunk edges. It's complete and original, but sold with bill of sale and will need title work. Great candidate for restoration, or as a donor for a rust-free body. Car number 10, 1965 Ford F150, $5,500, Barstow, California. We end the list with a simple, clean, classic truck, a 1965 Ford F150, priced at $5,500. 6-cylinder engine, manual transmission, clean body, and best of all, no rust. Seller says it runs great and even has working air conditioning. Nothing fancy, just an honest old Ford pickup that you could hop in and enjoy.
That's 10 more classic cars, all under 10 grand, all full of potential. Whether you want a driver, a project, or a total restoration, there's something here for every kind of car lover. If you enjoy these real-world classic car tours, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.